Hello friends, I'm Masterclass, one of the instructors of the Best Topic Educational channel. In this part of the PowerPoint tutorial series, I want to discuss the features of the line chart. I will review necessary points for designing this chart, and then we will examine this chart within the PowerPoint software. So stay tuned with me. And the first chart is line chart, that it introduces two measurement scales, and it is suitable for continuous data, and also it can show the general process of data changes. For example, the chart that I provide for you here shows the comparison between income and cost in different years. The two variables can be easily compared with each other. You can increase the number of variables, but I recommend not to use more than 4 because it gets illegible. This is another example of the line chart, and also you can use line chart to show the amount of sale in different months. I provide you the tips of designing the line chart here. It is better to use the continuous lines and don't use discontinuous lines. Don't select dashed lines in the style section. These continuous lines are suitable, and you can divide the different lines with different colors. The other tip is that don't draw more than 4 diagrams because it becomes illegible and it gets very crowded. The next tip is that try to insert labels next to the lines. This is more legible. It would be better if you write them next to each other rather than add a guide under the chart. And the last tip that you should pay attention to it is like the column chart, try to start the numbers from 0. To add the line chart, you can add it from Insert and Chart tab and add the different types of line chart, and again the Excel file will be opened for the editing the data, and you can use it. Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Masterclass. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.